Once upon a time, deep in the forest, lived a kind and curious little wooden bear named Woody. Woody was not like the other animals in the forest. He was made of wood and had no fur. But Woody didn't mind, for he loved his home among the trees. One sunny day, Woody decided to explore the forest. He wandered for hours, meeting new friends and learning about the world around him. He met Bella the bunny, who showed him how to hop like a rabbit, and Sammy the squirrel, who taught him how to climb trees. As the day turned to dusk, Woody found himself lost. He looked around, but the forest was dark and unfamiliar. Woody felt a little scared, but he remembered something his friend Sammy had told him, even in darkness, remember the light within. Woody closed his eyes and took a deep breath. He opened his eyes and looked up at the stars twinkling in the sky. He felt a warmth in his heart, remembering the love and kindness he had experienced throughout the day. Suddenly, he heard a rustling sound. He turned around and saw a group of animals gathered around him. It was Bella, Sammy, and all the friends Woody had made during his adventure. They had come to help him find his way home. Together, they walked through the forest, their footsteps guided by the light of the stars. They laughed and sang, and Woody felt happier than he ever had before. When they reached Woody's home, he thanked his friends for their help. From that day on, Woody realized that even though he was made of wood, he was never alone. He had a home in the forest, and he had many friends who loved him. And every time he felt scared or unsure, he would remember the light within and the love that surrounded him. And so, Woody the woodland friend continued to explore the forest, always finding new adventures and making new friends. And every night, when he looked up at the stars, he would remember the cozy adventure that had brought him so much joy. The end.